Howdy guys, in today's video we're going to be looking at how to exit the NC simulation and CAM feature, and this will be for FabriCAM software. But before that, let's have a quick intro first. So today's video can be found on softwaretraining.co.za. We make short and easy to watch problem solving videos, and we also have daily updates. Otherwise, we head back into the program here. Now we're just about done with the actual CAM and NC process for now. There'll be some more advanced features we can look at in the future, but just to get the bases covered, this will be I think sufficient. Now the next little thing we're going to be looking at with the NC is, like I mentioned, exiting the NC. And you would think it's quite straightforward, but at times this can be also quite frustrating because of a little something which I will show now. So if we had to go into our CAM with our project open and then we go to NC, you will see it starts running the simulation for us. Now let's say I go, oh, I forgot about something, let's redo it. I stop here. You will notice these two buttons are grayed out. So we have a problem. We cannot exit this unless we close the program. So then what you want to do is you want to play and make sure your actual simulation plays right through. That is unfortunately the only way to get out of this simulation. So you cannot stop it midway and go through. You have to have it play right through. As you can see now, these two options became available again. So whatever you do, do not hit the basically restart button, because otherwise you're gonna have to sit through that whole process again. So just keep that in mind. Like I said, it can be rather frustrating when you want to quickly exit because you forgot about something, or you want to change something because you saw in the beginning, okay, maybe it is not right. Now in a project with just 3 shapes, that's fine, but when this whole plate is filled up with different shapes, you might wait here quite a while. So just keep that in mind. In order to exit it, you will have to first wait for your process to finish your simulation, and then you can exit. So stop won't work, and to exit you can just click the CAM button and then we'll go out of it. But yeah, otherwise that is it on exiting your simulation or NC simulation. If we head here to softwaretraining.co.za, you guys will notice we've got a variety of different softwares we do cover, and you can also isolate your search on the top right. If you do not, however, find the training videos you're looking for, just simply go here, request the training video, fill in the mini form, and then we'll do our best to try and make that for you. But otherwise, thanks guys for watching, and cheers.